Hey traders, it's Ken with God Body Trading, and today we're diving into some jaw-breaking news from Intel that sent shockwaves through the market. Intel just received a staggering $7 billion loss in its foundry business, a move that has investors on edge and has the stock plummeting. What caused the massive loss and how will it impact Intel's future? Stick around to find out. Get ready for an in-depth breakdown of Intel's financial reporting structure and its ambition plans to turn things around. But will these strategies be enough to save Intel from its downward spiral? That is the question. All right, so look, so this was going on with Intel. So Intel, the company that makes computer chips, announced that its foundry business, which is a part of its operations, had a really big loss of $7 billion last year. This means they spent way more money running that part of the business than they made from it, which is crazy, right? They spending out way more money than they are receiving back. That is crazy. It said Intel has also said they're changing how they report their financial information to make things clearer. They mentioned some new segments they'll be reporting on, like client computing, data centers, and their foundry business, among others. The foundry business, which is where they make chips for their companies, didn't do well financially. It lost $7 billion last year, even though it brought in some revenue. Intel hopes to improve this part of their business by making some changes, and they expect the losses to peak or whatever. You know what peak means? They expecting it to do way better than what it did last year. Basically, they basically saying that they wanted to peak, whatever, right? Which is meaning that they gonna be at the highest point in 2024. That's what they're expecting. Despite their plans, Intel stock price went down today, 6.71% after the news came out. So based on the information, investors seem to think the stock market will react negatively by Intel's announcement. So what we finna do, we finna dive into like the technical analysis and let's see if this gonna be a bear market or a bull market. And then I want you guys to comment on how y'all feel on the news. Let's break this thing down right here. Let's get on Moo. Let's see how the stock doing today. Let's put in Intel. Intel the company. Let's see how they doing today. Let me minimize myself so y'all can see this. We can really kind of break this down right here, right? All right, so look. I look on a 4-hour chart, right, to see how everything is going. Basically, whatever, right? When you trade on a 4-hour chart, you trade on a 4-hour chart to see, like, what's the trend looking like, how's the week looking, how are they doing as a company, and things like that or whatever, right? When you trade on a 4-hour chart, I normally trade to potentially like for the week. When I go on a 5-minute chart, I'm trading for the day, right? So the day, it's doing bad today. It is doing bad. It opened at $41.37. That's what it opened up at. But man, y'all see this big gray area? Ooh, that's horrible, y'all. That's how far it dropped down in the pre-market. Well, pre-market and post-market from yesterday. Man, look at this, y'all. Based on the news, y'all, it's not looking good. All right, so look, so what we're going to do is, I'm going to teach y'all something real quick. We're going to get on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to show y'all some indicators so we can kind of get some good estimates and what we can predict here or whatever, right? So when we look at the RSI, as y'all can see right here, relatively stock index or whatever, and we can see it's looking like it is oversold right here, as y'all can see. And it's active, the stock market still open even though it's about to end. As y'all can see, the stock is oversold or whatnot, right? So for some people, they feel as though like, hey, this is a super sign for me to say that, hey, it's this is a good chance for me to buy in right now. It's oversold or whatever. I'm getting it at a good price or whatever before it have a bull market to come up or whatever. This and the third. That's some people indicators to buy in when it's oversold. But you make your own decision. This is not financial advice. You make your own decision. But I just want to let y'all know how to read technical analysis so you can see what everybody else seeing. As you can see, the RSI is at what? 20. Ooh, which is low, as y'all can see. We're going by the orange line right here, right? As y'all can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add another indicator, the EMA. I'll put in the EMA up here. Yeah, some main stuff up here. We'll see the EMA and see what we're looking like. All right, so it is on a downward, by the 4-hour chart. It is on a downward trend or whatnot, right? And how do we know and how do we identify a downward trend? The 1348 cross. If you look up here, right here, that's my 13 EMA and 48, right? A lot of traders use this to know like, hey, it's starting to be a downtrend, right? And it's starting to cross the 200 EMA, right? Which we can see here. Let's zoom in. Look, see, can I zoom in? So, as y'all can see, the green has crossed the 200 EMA, which is the red line or whatever, right? So, guys, it looks like it's going on a downtrend, fellas and ladies. It looks like it's going on a downtrend compared to like what we're seeing right now in technical analysis from the news that it received. Man, it is tough. So let's see what other indicators that we got. The volume looking low. Let me take the EMA out. Let's see. That's on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see on the 5-hour time frame. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame. As y'all can see, it really crossed up here. As y'all can see, for a lot of option traders, y'all know the 1348 cross. Y'all already know what time it is or whatever. That would have been a good sign for a put option. Well, now, this is not financial advice, but this is a sign for a put option when we see the 1348 cross, which is the green crossing the yellow, and also crossing the 200 right now, as you can see. So Intel looks like it's on the downward trend. But on the 5-minute chart, if I were trading today, at the end of the day, as you can see, it's still going down, as you can see. Still going down, but as you can see, look, you got little counters trying to push it up, but the volume ain't there. As y'all can see, the volume ain't really there. So look, today I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Intel's latest bombshell. Do you feel as though that it's bullish or is it bearish on Intel? Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to our channel for more market insights. And if you're eager to learn to grow as a trader, join the Discord. The Discord link shall be in the bio. God by the Trading, the Discord. And also I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, I really want to thank you guys for tuning in, for all my traders. Until next time, remember, stay informed, stay sharp, and happy trading. Y'all have a blessed day.